Hello dears, myself Dr.Ashiq. It's a self-introductory video because many of the students or dear ones used to ask like in the comments or texting me, what are you doing, are you a doctor or are you working or something. I just want to clarify to those people in a common video, that's all. So I'm a licensed doctor from India. I was working as a general practitioner in India. Currently, I am doing a PG diabetology course, accredited course from Royal College, UK, in diabetology. Now, I have a lot of future plans, and teaching is my passion. From last 4 to 5 years, I was teaching students, mainly from Ukraine, students from Ukraine. First year, second year students, they used to study with me from basic subject. Third year students used to study Croc 1 exam. Fourth year, fifth year, sixth year, they used to study clinical subject, and sixth course study Croc 2 exam for Ukraine. Then there was a exam called IFOM before, that is not now in Ukraine. That exam is for getting admission to Hamad Hospital in Qatar, Doha. So before it was there, still that course is currently going on. I am giving coaching for IFOM also. So I do coaching for Croc 1, Croc 2, basic subjects, clinical subjects, IFOM, as well as parallelly USMLE and PLAB. So these are the currently course given by me, and I used to teach dentistry faculty also for the third course, Croc 1. So hope I cleared some of your queries. So those who are asking, can I join your course? Anyone from any part of the world can join my online course for sure. You can text me in my WhatsApp number or my Instagram or my Facebook. You can just message me. I will guide you or I will add you in my specific or individual group for sure. So with the God's grace, I have passion for teaching and God is helping me. What I am teaching, students are understanding. That's what I know from the feedback. As well as I am doing my my profession as a doctor. I am making myself better, right? So thank God and thank you all for supporting me all these days. Hope you will keep the support throughout the coming years. Thank you. Signing off, Dr. Ashiq.